Hey there, thank you for expressing your interest in our 2011 Porsche Panamera. My name's Edgar, and I'd be happy to help you with this car. So, firstly, it's got 118,000 kilometers on it, no accidents, very clean. It's going for $29,888. Tan leather interior. Absolutely gorgeous. Plenty of space in the back. Wonderful mats as well. $118,000 kilometers on the dash. 4-wheel drive. Beautiful sunroof. Alright, if you got any questions, just give us a call at 905-660-2901. My extension's 219. Any one of us would be happy to help you. Or just email me back. Alright, take care.